boy, Sons to be out, you feel? We back at it again with another banger video for y'all. Now, as y'all boy can see, fuck them folk. But as y'all boy can see, goddamn, we finna do a Hellcat POV downtown with the city lights and shit. You know, let y'all hear the beautiful Hellcat. I ain't got nothing else better going on with my date. So I was like, we might well go ahead and pick up the motherfucking camera and get these boys some content. You feel my girl keep whining and crying, but I would prefer to hear the Hellcat whining and crying. So you already know I'ma be in this bitch. That nigga girl looking at my car. She fuck with the cat. She like this cat better than her own cat. No cap. But anywho, we just finna be downtown, you feel me, driving. Just driving around, giving y'all boys some POV footage. I ain't gonna lie, I can't go too crazy, which I say in every video, but this time, I really mean it. Mama, the wires on my tires are showing, and I got off work too late to go pick up my tires, so I can't get them hoes till tomorrow. You feel me? So, yeah. What the hell was that? See, it be weird stuff going on downtown. I hear niggas screaming and shit. Like, calm that shit down, nigga. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna run this light. I guess not. I'll wait. Boy, I'm so weak, bro. I can't never go nowhere unnoticed. Everybody want me to slide and, you feel me, tap the gas, reel. Let me give y'all some reels. Huh? My tire ball, like my wire showing. If I had tires, I would have slid on everything. I'm weak as hell.
Oh my God, what? Oh.
I'm weak as hell. Now that bit that loud.
Huh?
That bit that loud. Y'all heard it.
I heard that one, goddamn.
That boy say he heard that whine. I heard that whine too, nigga. That bitch been whining and my girl been whining. But we can't listen to the girl whine. We gotta listen to that Hell Kitty whine. Aunt got the old C6 Corvette. He don't want no smoke. Oh God. Let's see what I'm finna do. I'm finna bust this love. Hurry up and pull out, nigga. Damn. Can I go down this way? Yes, I can. I be having to watch out to make sure I ain't going down the wrong road. Let go up under that tunnel. I thought that was the boys next to me who's up past me. Damn. Big mama and that bitch crying. What this is? We'll go down that way. This like a little ice cream shop. You feel me? You gotta let the niggas at the ice cream shop hit that cat. You feel me? You got the bike boys out there, bitch. Damn, I thought my car about to scrape. My heart jumped. I ain't gonna lie, I don't even know where I'm at. I'm just exploring the city, goddamn. Off camera, y'all been waiting on this light for so damn long. This shit ridiculous. Them niggas was taking way too long. It don't take that long to park that motherfucking slow ass Audi. I'm talking about these niggas slowing around like goddamn they waiting for valet. Tell them boy they can go on all that slow shit. This also where you gotta watch out for the police, cause they be hiding over here. Even though we don't come over here for real no more. Oh, I almost got my ass T-bone. I'm not paying attention. I'm putting in trap mode. Cause I used to drive in trap mode a lot, but I heard people say trap mode is bad on your transmission, so I stopped. So I'm trying to see what's the difference again. Damn. The only difference I see is this bitch stiff with these lowering springs. That's another reason why I don't drive in trap mode. When a nigga be on the freeway, nigga, if I be getting sick from the bounce, from the lowering springs, that shit be crazy. Up on the bridge, you already know we gotta do. You already know we gotta do, twin. We go up on a bridge. It's only right. See they ass. Almost smacked some shit. This is why I don't drive downtown. Every time I make a POV downtown, I almost run somebody over. But they be looking at me like I'm crazy. And I really is. They just don't know. No about. Other lane. I remember this bank. This the bank that this girl asked me, cause she bought some fentanyl from me. Bitch, I don't sell drugs. I ain't sold a drug a day in my life. Bitch, talk about can I buy some fentanyl? Bitch, just because I got a Hellcat don't mean I sell fentanyl. The hell? He'll be tweaking out there, bitch. Bro, what is these niggas doing right here, bro? The hell? They trying to drive me off the motherfucking road. So, y'all, that's gonna wrap it up for today's nighttime POV. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, and subscribe. Also tell me what type of videos y'all want to see from me in the future. You feel me? Also, let me know, goddamn shit. I really don't know what to say. Just let me know whatever y'all want to talk to me about. If y'all need some help, questions, anything like that, just let your boy know on everything. I'm gonna put y'all boys on game, no cap. So, until next time, y'all, I'm out. Peace.